Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your TikTok account to a new phone safely, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your TikTok account to a new phone safely, start by making sure you have a stable internet connection on both devices. Next, open the TikTok app on your old phone. Go to your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings. Select Manage Account from the options available. Here, ensure that your account is linked to a valid email address or phone number for recovery purposes. If it's not linked, add and verify your email or phone number first. Now, download the TikTok app on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open TikTok on your new phone. In the app, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. On the login page, select Login and then choose the method you used previously, either your email or phone number. Enter the necessary credentials and log in to your account. If you opted for phone number login, you may receive a verification code. Be sure to enter that code in the designated area to verify your identity. Once logged in, your TikTok account, including videos and followers, will be accessible on your new phone. Make sure to check all settings and preferences to ensure they are as you want them. Lastly, if you no longer need the app on your old phone, consider uninstalling it for security reasons. This completes the safe transfer of your TikTok account to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for